Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ChargePoint to utility off-peak programs, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have your ChargePoint account credentials ready. Log into your ChargePoint account through the mobile app or website. Navigate to the settings menu within your account. Look for the section labeled Utilities or Utility Programs. Select the option to add utility. Enter your utility provider's name in the search bar. Choose your utility provider from the list of options that appears. If prompted, input your account details related to your utility provider. Review the terms and conditions for participating in off-peak programs. Accept the terms and continue to the next step. The system may require you to provide your average energy consumption information. Be prepared to input any relevant billing or usage data, as needed. Once your utility information is submitted, confirm your connection to the off-peak program. Check for a confirmation message that your ChargePoint account is now linked to the utility off-peak program. Review any specific guidelines or incentives that are provided by your utility. Adjust your charging preferences within the ChargePoint app to take advantage of off-peak rates. Monitor your charging sessions and energy use to ensure you are optimizing the program benefits. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section of the ChargePoint app for troubleshooting tips. Consider reaching out to your utility provider's customer service for additional assistance if necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.